Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Norman MJ. I bet you in the next 20 seconds you click off of this video. The reason is that statistically I am unable to get good audience retention on my videos because I am very new to YouTube. This is one of the fears most YouTubers have when they start a YouTube channel. Will I be able to keep people staying in my video for a long time? Till today, I still find it difficult to have good audience retention. But the more I release video, the more I watch experts talking about audience retention, I know with time I will be able to do the same thing too. So if you have lasted up to 50 seconds on my YouTube channel, I really love you and I want you to subscribe to my channel. I want you to watch and see the growth that will occur during the next few months as I continue to better my best on my YouTube channel. So if you want to support me, just 2 inches below, you'll see a subscribe button. I want you to subscribe and also click the notification so that anytime this beginner upload a new video, you'll be the first to get it too. So in today's video, I want to discuss with you the reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. To be very honest, I wish I knew earlier. I wouldn't have invested the amount of time and energy I used to doing other things. I would have used that time and energy into a YouTube channel. What I have observed is that starting from about 6 months, you can have passive income from a YouTube channel. YouTube can pay you a lot of money depending on your content. All you just need to do is do something that you love. There's a chance that doing something that you love, somebody else at the other side of the world will also be interested in such thing. When I knew about YouTube, I was reluctant to start. But one of my friends who started YouTube at the same time, all he does was play games. And I also contributed to those games that he also uploaded to his YouTube channel. But as of today, he has over 10,000 subscribers to that YouTube channel and makes nothing less than $300 a month. That's amazing for somebody who just wake up in the morning, call me and we play games together and he upload it to his YouTube channel. Because he did what he loves, he's able to make income from it. So I really love to teach and I like to share my experience. And that is the reason why I'm creating this video, to encourage anybody, whether you're new to YouTube, start your YouTube channel today. And if you're a parent, help your kids to start a YouTube channel. Who knows, in few months you'll be able to see what they really love and what they really want to share with the world. If parents will encourage their children to start YouTube channel, it will help them also secure their future too, because with time YouTube will be able to pay them. I know YouTube do not give money to minors, but they can continue receiving that money. They can use it to take care of their child, and maybe when their child is up to 18 years old, they'll be able to hand over or allow the child start receiving money from his YouTube channel. YouTube is amazing because it is free. I have started 3 websites. One is doing well at the moment, but 2 have failed already. The first one, when I started it, I made a lot of mistakes, but I make sure the second one, when I'm starting the second one, I would learn from the mistake I made from the first one and have a better website. Although it did really great, but there was a lot I needed to learn. Recently, I've learned a lot. So I started a new website January 15, 2021, and today is doing really great. 2 weeks later, I started this YouTube channel. If you go through my previous video, you'll notice that I've tried to experiment on different things. I've tried using text to speech because I'm not very comfortable with my voice. Anytime I hear recording of my voice, it sounds somehow to me. Although I'm told not to worry about it because others say it's pretty great, but to me it doesn't sound well. So that's the reason why I use text to speech. It is something online. You just key in some text and it's going to read it for you automatically. So I've tried that, and most of those videos are doing well. I also created videos whereby I talk like this too, and those videos are doing well. So right now I'm a little bit confused on what to do. Should I go back to text to speech, or I should talk this way. I really want to talk because I want to create an identity for my YouTube channel so that any day you see this face again, you know that it is Norman MJ. If you have stayed to this time, 5 minutes on my video, I really appreciate you and I love you. If for some reason you forgot to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This beginner will continue to share everything he has learned from his channel with you so that you'll be able to succeed also on your YouTube channel. There's something I've learned from the past month when I started the YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you the truth. Most YouTubers do not tell you the full details of everything they are doing in their YouTube channel when they are making a video. They do not tell you the whole details, but in this video I'll tell you the whole details and everything I've learned in the last 1 month. So this is the first thing I want you to learn. Rather than focusing on how many views you have, I would suggest you should focus on how many times YouTube is recommending your videos to others. Don't worry about whether people are watching it or not. The metrics you use to know whether your video is doing great or not is your impressions. So if you have done your keyword research very well, you choose the right title, and you use a very good thumbnail, your video will be recommended to a lot of people. That is something that I've observed. I was worried about why are people not watching my videos? Why am I having 50 views? Why am I having 30 views? Why am I having 20 views? But then I noticed that throughout the first 30 days of starting my YouTube channel, I had about 10,000 impressions. That means YouTube has showed my video or recommended my video to 10,000 people or 10,000 times to different people around the world. But yet, on average, I have a 6.7 click-through rate. So out of the 10,000 people that have seen my videos, only about 670 have clicked on them. So rather than focusing on how many views you have, I instead want you to focus on how many times YouTube is showing your videos to others. If you notice that your impressions is coming down, I want you to keep uploading. The more you upload, the more your impressions will go up. With time, you'll be able to create thumbnails that are clickable, because the major reasons why we click on a video is, one, because of the thumbnail and the title. So with time, you'll be able to know all that. So the more you increase your impressions, very soon your click-through rate will increase from, mine will increase from like 6% to maybe 15% or even 20%. So imagine, at the moment I have about 10,000 impressions in the last 30 days. Imagine if I have 100,000 impressions and only 10% clicks on it. That means I have 10,000 views on my channel. So do not worry about anything. Just focus on creating content that YouTube will recommend. So that's my first advice for you. Focus on impressions. How you can increase your impressions is by having a good title, do your keyword research, and also take your time to create eye-catching thumbnail. The brighter the thumbnail, the better. And also, I've discovered that people are naturally attracted to human faces. So if you want your thumbnail to get more clicks, you should add your face to your thumbnail. Make it as big as possible and write a text at this other side. People will be more interested in it. Just give a facial expression that will support the text that is by the side. So if you are making a video about something that is confusing, make a confused face. Or if it's something that is happy, you make a happy face. Keep trying, keep trying. My second advice for you is, do not worry about the data. Do not worry about your analytics. Apart from the impression, do not worry too much about it. You should worry about it, but do not worry too much about it. The reason is that you are new to YouTube. So a whole lot of that data will not make sense to you at the beginning, but you will start to use them more as soon as you've crossed about 1,000 subscribers, and also you are having a lot of views. Then you have a lot of data for you to know what works best for your channel. But as soon as you're starting and you do not have a lot of subscribers and you don't have a lot of views, I would suggest not to worry too much about it. Keep making videos, keep uploading every day until you've had a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. This is something you'll be able to find out when you have a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. One, you'll be able to know at what time people come to your channel. You'll also be able to know what videos are doing better, and you'll also be able to know what videos are suggesting your other videos, what videos that other channels have that suggest your video. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but as soon as you're starting, you won't be able to know all that. So most big YouTubers, since they are already successful, they have a lot of this data that helps them to make better decisions about what video to make. I also want to apologize for the background noise that you're hearing. I do not have a microphone, so I'm using my inbuilt phone microphone. I know it sounds bad, but trust me, in a little while, I'm going to get a better one. I do not want to make this video too long. The reason I made it over 10 minutes is because I just found out that longer videos do better. I work so hard on convincing my audience to stay at least 1 minute on a video. It's not easy, but I promise I'll continue to do better and better. If you stay to the end of this video, from my heart, I really love you and I wish you well. If you forgot to subscribe, please just subscribe to my channel. It will help place a cup of tea on my table one day. I really appreciate it. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.